Hey my gems, so I'm making this edge tutorial for you guys because you keep asking me like, hey Ruby, how do you lay your edges? What products do you use? What makes it look so curly? And I'm showing you guys what I do. To each his own. Not everyone wants to layer their edges. Some people like to just leave their edges in their natural state. Just kind of swoop it up, do whatever it may be. That's up to you. I sometimes like to get fancy with the edges depending on how much time I have, how much I want to put a little stank on my look. And this is just one of my edge styles, and I'm really just getting to this recently, so these things may evolve. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my edges and what products I use to do that. So starting off, I got this handy dandy little brush from my local beauty supply store. I like it. I like it because it has the brush side of it and the comb side, and for that swoop, that rat tail comb. So I'm going to show you what I do and how I do it. So take your favorite edge control or gel. I personally love the Eco Styler gel. I'm using the black castor oil to just swoop and whoop. So just start off by like placing on your edges. I like to kind of just get it all around where I'm going to be doing it at. And begin to just work it up. I always start with my Ashanti sideburns by swooping them up, just because I'm trying to get an idea how I want them to lay and how they want to play today. Boris. And then once you get it like in a clean swoop, swoopity-doo. Get that back too, because that back looking kind of whack. Lay it down. I just have a lot of hair. So then you could take the comb or start off with the rat tail and whatever you choose, and start swooping. So you take it down and bring it up. Okay, so you take it down and then bring it up like that. Then we do the same thing with this last little section. Bring it down and then bring it up. That little spot right there that look like it's bald. And you can just take this to kind of just define it even more. And then now I'm going to do these Ashanti. Sometimes I like to just do like a little curl. So I grab a little piece and just literally roll it around my finger till it does a little curl. If you want to be a little bit more dramatic, because why not? Boom. Then I'm going to do the front. Look at the flick of the wrist. Catching planes. Ooh. I walk in feeling like I was on the moon. There you have it. Do the same thing you did on this side to the other side. Gel and we. Y'all listen to this. This is my real life. I just keep on acting like nothing's even going on. Don't come in here. peep how I don't even move my mouth like a ventriloquist. I'm like, no, I'm filming. Give me some time. I swear, legit, doesn't matter what I'm doing. As soon as I start filming, he just finds a way to ask me questions. No children were hurt in the filming of this episode. So my gems, I hope you enjoyed watching this video to see the tutorial how I lay and slay these edges. Okay, so if you have any questions, please make sure to drop them in the comments. Otherwise, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can actually get notifications when new videos become available. Until next time, bye bye.